Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Hey, listen, we got a lot to cover, not a lot of time, so we're just gonna jump straight into it. Have you ever had leftover pizza, right? And maybe it's been in the fridge for a day or two. You're not really sure how to reheat it. You're like, should I throw it in the oven? Should I put it in the microwave? Or maybe even stovetop? Well, that's what we're gonna cover today. This is the first episode of Food and Chris. Welcome to the Pizza Remix. So you're gonna need pizza, of course, bacon, jalapeños, garlic. Whenever I'm pan frying something, I like to pair it with something fresh just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and make a licuado as well. All right, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so we have the stove almost on medium heat, just about. I like to put just a smidge of oil. I use avocado oil, feel free to use another kind, just to give the bacon something to jump off of. Alright, we're going to put the bacon in. Let's see. So I got the bacon to maybe like 40%, 40-50%. I'm gonna throw in the jalapeños and the garlic. Where's the camera? Just let that do its thing for a little bit. Okay, we're looking pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the pizza that we chopped up earlier. Let that do its thing. Just trying to increase the surface area to make sure everything's kind of touching the skillet as much as possible. And that smell is it's really, really good, you guys. So at this point, guys, the cheese is nice and melty, the bacon is crispy, everything's kind of intermixed with that seared garlic and jalapeno, so I think we're just about ready to plate. We got some pears. Also for our delicious beverage, some celery. Of course, some spinach because we're trying to stay healthy. I usually just put a little bit of agave just to accentuate the sweetness. Some coconut water. And there we have it. Alright, you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think. What do you think?
That's good.
Basically, you get every single flavor you like at the same time.
Never had stir-fried pizza.
Yeah, there you go.
Who thinks of stir-fried pizza, but it's delicious, man.
It's basically just everything I want in one bite. Right, a little crisp at the same time.
Yeah. Who doesn't love stir-fry? Who doesn't love pizza? You put it together.